nation. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to subscribe to my channel. And thank you. The 6-month review of my hair transplant done in January. The trip to Istanbul, Turkey, and the care that I received at the Ashley Tarkin Clinic was amazing. I didn't get to see a lot of Istanbul, Turkey because I had a specific reason for the trip. In September, I'll be going back for the second procedure to finish the back area. Maybe I'll see a lot more of Istanbul, Turkey then. This journey to make some changes in my life was done with a lot of research and gave me options that I didn't think possible. I would encourage everyone to look at all the options and make the choice that will make you happy. We only go around once in life, so make it good decisions and changes that impact your life and make it count so you live your best life. This is my recommendation to everyone wanting to take their life to the next level. Do the research and make plans to make the changes for you. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Okay, what I have now is my 6-month review. So this is 6 months after my January transplant. And I'm going to have some scalp pigmentation done in the back area just to see the difference that it may make for me. So I'm very pleased and happy with everything, the way and how it's turning out, from my hairline all the way around. So I think you guys may want to contemplate having yourself a come to the Lord moment, see whether this is for you. So I am very impressed with the results. I'm loving my results. I don't need it to be any more than what it is. So Hopefully you guys can see it. You guys can understand. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.